believer doesn't abuse with their tongue. They don't mind. They do it in the name of faith. Well, thank Allah that you're not on that, and make sure that you don't fall into that, and then pray for them. Say a good prayer for them, inshallah, because if you'd like to protect yourself, you need to help society and community, because you live in that community and your children are going to be in that community. You want your children to have a healthy upbringing in that community. You're going to have to ensure that you are part and parcel of a good community by doing good, so others can also do good and they can learn from the good, benefit from it. When they see your children, for example, they will say, oh, these are the children of so-and-so, what a good man, wow. They'll greet your kids and so on. They will feel part of the community, and it will catch, it will actually spread. The goodness spreads, kindness spreads. You help and keep on helping. That's the reason why Allah Almighty has never told us to do good to those whom we think deserve good to be done to. Never did He say that. He didn't say do good to people whom you think deserve the goodness. Not once did He say that. But He says, Wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin. Allah loves those who do good. So do good because you love Allah. I'm doing good to you, like I've always said, I'm doing good to you, not because I think you deserve it or you don't deserve it. I'm being good to you, kind to you, I'll greet you with a smile because I know this is what my Lord wants. This is Allah. So Allah Almighty wants the goodness and loves those who do good. That's the reason why I'm doing the good. Alhamdulillah. If I'm doing good because I think you deserve the goodness, nobody will actually survive on earth, because we won't feel that others deserve this. For a small reason, we won't want to give it to them. May Allah Almighty protect us.